Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down, test, and reveal the best gear for your creative needs. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best lighting for photography at home, the Torjim Softbox Photography Lighting Kit. Whether you're a budding photographer, a content creator, or someone diving into the world of live streaming, this kit may just be your next essential upgrade. Let's start with what makes this softbox kit stand out. The moment you unbox it, you'll notice the build quality. The softbox is crafted using high-quality PET fabric combined with a foldable nylon cover. What that means for you is better reflectivity, more even light, and broader illumination. All crucial for minimizing harsh shadows and getting that smooth, soft look, whether you're shooting portraits or products. The inside of the softbox is coated with a silver particle baffle that reflects light evenly across your subject. This tiny detail drastically improves the softness and reach of the light. Now, let's talk about the heart of the system, the bulb. You're getting an 85-watt LED bulb with an adjustable color temperature range from 3000K all the way up to 750K. That flexibility allows you to create anything from a warm, cozy ambience to a cool, daylight-balanced look. Plus, it's energy efficient. The bulb claims to cut power use by up to 80%. All while running cool and delivering consistent brightness. No flickering, no overheating. The kit also includes a 60-inch tripod made of high-grade aluminum alloy. It's not just lightweight, it's sturdy. The locking system feels solid and confident, even when you're moving the light around or extending the height. It resists scratches and doesn't wobble during a shoot, which is a huge plus when you're mid-session and can't afford technical hiccups. What gives this setup even more creative control is the 210 degrees rotatable head. This means you can angle the light exactly where you want it, above, side lighting, even back lighting. So whether you're filming a tutorial, shooting a client portrait, or streaming your next session, this flexibility makes your workflow easier and more dynamic. Also included in the package is a wireless remote, making it effortless to control the light without breaking your flow. No need to walk over and adjust dials manually. It's small, responsive, and makes a big difference during long sessions. And what exactly do you get in the box? The kit includes one softbox, one 85-watt LED bulb, one tripod stand, one soft diffuser for light control, and that all-important remote. It's a complete one-light setup perfect for small studios or home use. So what's the verdict? The Torjim Softbox Photography Lighting Kit is incredibly well priced for what it offers. It's user-friendly, quick to set up, and delivers professional-level lighting. Whether you're capturing headshots, recording YouTube videos, or need a dependable lighting solution for your live streams, this kit delivers balanced light without blowing your budget. That's all for this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Got another product you'd like us to test out? Let us know. Until next time, keep creating, and keep the lights bright.